Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? On this Tuesday morning, it is the 10th day of December. Time as I make this is 4:08 a.m. Obviously, it's very mild out here this morning, or I wouldn't be dressed like this. Temperatures are in the 60s, and it's not raining at the moment, but there is rain on the radar. Part one of the rain yesterday was a good start. Part one was involved a northward moving warm front, and out at the Montgomery Airport and also here in East Montgomery, the rainfall total is exactly the same, 0.88. You could have had a lot more at your house, perhaps. But this is great news, of course, in the middle of a severe drought. Now, today, the rainfall totals with part two, which today is a bigger deal, ahead of a cold front, will be easily 2 to 3 inches, I think will be common. Some places maybe up to 4 inches of rain. So yeah, this is drought busting, or at least it's going to help the drought situation significantly. Also, besides the excessive rainfall expected today, and you're going to see future radar below, and also the expected rainfall totals below, there will be the possibility of strong to possibly severe storms. As you know, we're in the tornado season, and we're in the cold weather tornado season, and the marginal severe weather risk covering much of, let's say, about the southeast half of the state, you know, if I had to quantify it. And damaging wind gusts would be the main threat, but there is also a directional shear with altitude, which would not rule out a tornado or two. So keep that in mind. I would say the main hours, if I had to put a label on it, would be, you know, let's say noon till 7 p.m. for a lot of us for the central threat. Don't take that to the bank. That's just a general idea. Okay, you're going to see all of that below in the blog section, including that latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. All right, then, so the rain will shut off late tonight, and you'll see colder air that will be funneling into the state behind it. Wednesday, tomorrow, will be a windy, colder day with temperatures barely into the low 50s, if that, but you'll swear it's colder because of the winds. And then we're back to about, you know, maybe 29 Wednesday night, Thursday morning, a couple of freezing nights. But fortunately, this time, the Arctic little taste won't last long, and temperatures will moderate over the weekend. I had to introduce showers back in the forecast on Saturday, just a modest chance Saturday night into Sunday. So at least there'll be a possibility of getting wet for some of those Christmas activities still going on this upcoming weekend. I think Friday night will be dry, but the other thing I wanted to mention is I'm going to be on an airplane early Wednesday morning, early tomorrow morning. I'm going to try to get up extra early and put out some sort of blog update for you, and video, maybe video, short video for you. But while I'm gone in the on this tropical vacation in the Dominican Republic, my updates to you will be very small, very tiny, very bite-sized. Fortunately, there'll be no big ticket weather through, you know, the time I'm gone through late Sunday night. So that's good news. And as far as me on the radio, my traveling microphone goes with me wherever I am in the world, and every day of the year you're going to hear my forecast across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. So bear with me with these short updates while I'm on vacation. I'm sure you understand. You know, I don't want to get up in the middle of the night and spend two and a half, 3 hours writing a blog and shooting a video. No, not going to do that. All right, this morning everything is normal, including live on the radio 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. There'll be another forecast discussion, as I mentioned, and blog update tomorrow morning, and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. You're up to date. It's not raining right now, but Get ready for a wet and stormy Tuesday, and I'll keep you up to date. And by the way, our weather app will be very handy today. It's free in the App Store. Just search Rich Thomas Weather with radar, future radar. Instant push notifications for severe weather alerts because it knows where you are. And also hourly forecast, 10-day forecast. You'll see all my posts on Twitter, on Facebook, and of course all the blog updates as well. Roll over to the weather app. Rich Thomas Weather is what you search for in the App Store. Have a great day today. Stay weather aware. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.